That was so clean.
I missed it, darn it. Here's Cam landing. Oh, darn it.
Why did you feel that?
Tripped.
We got incoming, brother.
Oh yeah, here comes Walter. I think.
Yeah. Now you're good.
Whoa.
He's not. Who is that?
It's Walter.
Oh, he's good. Don't jinx him. Right up on the flats. Mike is close though. Yeah.
What was that?
Finally, no lap.
Finally, no whack.
So did you have fun, Walter? Yeah. God damn, dude, you're up there long enough. And I can't remember how long. Well, we'll see how high you go. That's all I can do. I know. That's really strange for me.
Yeah.
We won't say anything, but we know. You need the geek test for Walter. Did I just laugh?
Good job.
Yeah. That's okay. It's all right. Woo! Thank you, McClure boys. Mother Lode Skyriders are the best, baby.
We got some tri-tip cooking right now too, and some brats.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, we had a good day of flying today.
Hang gliding should be like this everywhere.
Yep. I agree. Good job, Walter. Good job.
How was your landing?
It was awesome, dude. First time on that 160, it was nice.
Yeah?
Kind of sounds like a truck. Hey, what's going on? We're gonna go do a retrieve right now.
Sweet.
All right. Yeah, good day.
Nice flights. I'll take it. I'll take it. Thank you. Woo!